guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the tiarabaker. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it, you guys. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers and I am so excited for my growth. I just want to thank you guys so much, and thank God for giving me this platform to do what I do and showcase my talents and just share my life with you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the little notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Today's video is a fiery, hot, spicy mommy hot tamale makeup tutorial. I want to step a little outside my box, and so I decided to create this fiery, hot makeup look with some yellows, reds, and oranges. I don't know if you guys can see, but my top that I have on also has like fire flames on it, so I thought that was pretty fitting for this makeup tutorial. Also, the music you'll be hearing today is from my beautiful friend Beverly the Bev's new EP called Grow, and I will link everything below. She has such an amazing voice, so you will not be disappointed. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Starting off with my Banish oil, I'm using this as a moisturizer on my skin, and also my skin decided to break out, so this will help in the healing of my skin under the makeup. I'm going to prime my face with my MAC Prep and Prime. Foundation today, I'm going to be using my Rihanna Fenty Beauty in the shades 360 and 420. I have to mix the two to get my shade for the summer. I do use a dampened beauty blender, and I really love this one. I got it from Walmart and it was only like $4 from one of those little cheaper brands, like the Walmart cosmetic brands. None of the products I show are in focus on this part, but I'm just using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11, and I'm in love with this concealer. I'm almost out, so I really have to get some more, but I really like the finish of it and the coverage it provides. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana, and I don't know why I'm still showing you guys this even though it's so out of focus. I used a different camera setup and didn't realize that nothing was in focus and I had the products too close to the camera. But yeah, I'm just baking my face and my nose, and then I'm setting the rest of my face with this NC45 Studio Fix foundation from MAC with a fluffy buffing brush from Real Techniques. To contour, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter, and I love this. I'm going to be using the second brown color from the end to contour my face. I love that palette because it's powder on one side and cream contour on the other. It's really great. Next, I'm just taking a flat, like buffing foundation brush to buff out that powder where I contoured. Using the same brush that I used to apply my powder, I am just going away the powder under my eyes where I set my concealer. Still not in focus, but we'll go with it. I'm using my MAC Paint Pot in the shade Laying Low to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. Going in my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to be combining the two yellow colors for my base color. I'm sweeping the yellow all over my lid as a transition color and using a eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. The way to work with these colors is to just gradually build it up. It won't be super pigmented at first, but you can keep adding on. Below that yellow, I'm going to go in with the shade Jamila from the Saharan by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use that as my next transition color. As you can see, I'm just wiping it back and forth in a windshield wiper motion and making sure that I'm not going above that yellow but going pretty close to the edge so it can have a nice blend. And like I said with the yellow, the key is just building it up, not doing a lot of color at once but adding colors as you go. In my Athena palette from Bad Habit, I'm using the red power color to deepen in that orange. I'm just lightly patting it in and building it up. I'm doing it in the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm dragging it towards the middle part of my eye but not going past the middle. And then I'm sweeping it up over my crease but making sure not to go over that orange color. Not adding product to the brushes but using the same brushes that I used before to blend out the colors and make sure everything is blended nicely. And then going back in with that Lay and Low paint pot from MAC, I am carving out my cut crease. With the same two yellow eyeshadows I used on my transition, I'm just using that to build up in the cut crease, and I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to use that same orange shade to kind of blend out the edges of the cut crease where it ends, and then I'm going to go back in with the red power shade to smooth everything out. And I'm just going to bring that red shade down about 2/3 of my eye, and then I'm going to meet it with some of that yellow in the front tear duct. The lashes I'm using are from Coco Lashes. She's a girl who lives near me, and I just applied those off camera. And now I'm applying my mascara. And then for lip liner, I'm using MAC lip pencil in the shade Burgundy, again out of focus, but I'm just lining my lips with that lip pencil. For lipstick, I'm using, of course, Ruby Woo from MAC. It's a classic, and it's just a beautiful red lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Orange County from NYX Liquid Lipstick for an ombre effect to create the look of fire. I'm using 05 Soleil in the Milani Baked Bronzer to bronze my face, and this big fluffy bronzing brush, and then this blush from Mary Kay. I think it was like an almond color or something like that. I'm not really sure what it's called, and an angled blush brush. Then I'm going to be setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter, the only thing that was focused in this video. And then I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlight to add some glow to this look. And then I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, cupid's bow, and my brow bone. And this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below what you want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, my loves.